What's going on, Amazon? We just got a KitchenAid in the mail, and so I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys because y'all, this thing is one of the top because y'all, look at everything that you can do with this bad boy. You can do kisses. No, I'm just kidding. These are all the different options that you can do within this KitchenAid one little appliance, right? So they've got little attachments that can literally do anything that your heart's desire would be. Now, we did this so that we could have pasta. So down here, we got this attachment where we could do different types of pasta, which is also what he's doing, right? But y'all, there are so many different attachments that you can do with this KitchenAid itself. And it's obviously what a lot of people use it for is to bake, right? But there's a lot more that this thing can do. So I wanted to get this out of the box to show you exactly what it looks like when you get it delivered. Now y'all, this thing is a beast. It is very nice, but very, very heavy to try to get out. I might actually need my assistant to help me here. Can you pull and I'll pull this side? There we go. That was a two-person job. Normally my stuff only takes one person, but that was a two-person job for sure because this thing, y'all, is a beast. This is very, 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 very beefy in general. As you can see, I already dropped something, which is okay because, y'all, this thing is very durable. It's a very, very durable. You can see this is for baking, right? You've got mixers right here. Perfect. We'll put this back because you don't want all that white stuff flying all over the place. You've also got, let me see here. And y'all, this baking is totally new for me. So this is some sort of a dispenser to stand over it, I guess, to make sure that it doesn't all fall out. And then the main one, which is why we're all here, this bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that. This looks great. Put this piece off of here. Y'all, they do a good job of keeping this thing nice and sealed. Like I'm trying to rip this thing off and it's not easy. So definitely a kudos to the people who pack this thing. They know how to get your heart rate going. But what's awesome about this guy is I think you can lift this up. I don't know how to, but
knob on the side.
There's a knob on the side. Ah, here we go. Look at that. Wow, would you look at that? Sometimes you just gotta listen to your wife, man. But overall, this thing is awesome. Look at this. You've got this attachment as well. So you've got all sorts of mixing, getting like baking done. You've obviously got some warranty stuff. We'll leave that to the boss lady. But this thing looks great. Obviously, you know, with it being packed so tight, you've got little white Orbeez all over the place. You're gonna wanna wash all this stuff, but you've got a nice, huge, massive serving bowl that you can pretty much use whatever sort of mixing deals you need to do. I know my wife's gonna be doing a ton of baking with this thing, right babe? You're gonna be doing a lot of baking for us now?
Yeah.
So overall, I think this thing is great. It looks great. I honestly love white. I love the white. It looks like, it's kind of not a true white, right babe? Like wouldn't you say this is like kind of like an off-white sort of look? It looks nice.
I think it's pearly or something.
Pearl, that's maybe what it is. So it's got a nice kind of shimmery, shining look. Hopefully that's showing up on the, but y'all, this thing is beefy. Like I'm trying to pick it up and it's heavy. So this thing is definitely one that's going to stay. So again though, y'all, if you want to do attachments, this is where those attachments live, right? So if you're not wanting to do this mixing, but you want to use this to do pasta or whatever else you want, right? That's where you're able to feed it, is right through this guy, and it does like an extension. So originally, like we said, this is for baking, you know, mixing, doing all sorts of stuff like that. But if you want to add literally like the hundreds of different options, you can do that as well. So it gives you a lot of functionality. And then you've got a nice little power cable over here. Not too long on the power cable, which is a little bit, you know, kind of annoying, but it's all good. It's kind of, you know, you just have to get used to that. So overall, I wanted to show you guys exactly what this looks like unboxed. Obviously, you've got instructions, which I'm gonna leave for my wife. But overall, I think this is great. Got all the necessities. Again, this is how you throw stuff in while you're mixing as it's going. to where it stays like not all, you know, it doesn't get all over the place. You just drop this thing down. So overall, works great. The initial accessories are pretty nice. So wanted to show you guys that. Definitely, again, definitely recommend giving this a shot, adding it to your cart. I don't think it'd be disappointed. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.